Are you feeling swamped, hopping between 10 AI tools just to get your creative work ready? What if you could run text, image, video, code, and more, all from a single visual canvas? That's exactly what Tila AI brings to the table. Tila AI is a next-generation multi-agent AI platform offering a unified visual workspace, think Miro meets Figma, but powered by Claude, Gemini, and more. With a flexible tile-based canvas, Tila lets you assemble specialized AI agents that collaborate to generate, transform, and automate content across media types, create text, edit images, produce video, transcribe audio, write code, build mind maps, all without ever switching tabs. It's designed to adapt to your creative flow and spark new ideas wherever you are in the process. But before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. Tila launched in mid-2024 and quickly caught the attention of creators, marketers, and developers alike, earning a stellar 4.9 out of 5 rating on Product Hunt from over 50 reviews. Users praised its ability to replace half a dozen separate AI tools with one smooth, integrated workspace. Many call it a game changer for managing multi-format content without ever leaving the canvas. Some early adopters mentioned that the visual interface makes complex workflows feel intuitive, while the wide range of AI models like GPT-4, DALL-E 3 means you can handle nearly any creative task in one place. Even those new to AI say Tila feels friendly rather than overwhelming thanks to its drag-and-drop tile system. So now let's discuss the core features of it one by one. Tila lets you choose from a wide range of powerful AI models all in one place. Whether you need speed, coding expertise, or in-depth reasoning, you can switch between models like GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, Gemini 1.5, Grok 3, Luma AI, and more. You can choose auto mode, where Tila intelligently picks the model best suited for your task, or manually select the exact model you prefer for total control. If you need quick answers, pick a fast model working on complex problem solving. Go for a smart or reasoning-focused model doing creative work like storytelling, branding, or design prompts. Switch to a creative model for richer, more imaginative outputs. Each model's specialty is clearly indicated with performance bars for creativity, programming, problem solving, and reasoning, so you can match the right AI to the right job in seconds. This flexibility means you're never locked into one AI's limitation. You always have the perfect brain for the task at hand. So that's the end of feature number 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So Tila isn't just about chat, it's a full creative suite with built-in AI-powered apps to handle all your content needs in one place. Whether you're drafting documents, designing visuals, managing spreadsheets, or working with audio, you have the right tool at your fingertips. You can open the text editor for blog posts, emails, or scripts. Switch to image editor to create or enhance visuals instantly. Use the sheet editor for organizing data or generating reports. Need to turn audio into text? The transcription generator handles it with precision. Want to bring words to life? The speech synthesizer converts your text into natural-sounding voices. All these apps are seamlessly integrated so you can move between them without losing context, making Tila a true all-in-one AI workspace. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. Tila makes it easy to hit the ground running with a rich template gallery designed for all kinds of creative and business needs. Instead of starting from scratch, you can pick a template that matches your goal and let AI do the heavy lifting. If you want stunning visuals, the AI photoshoot template helps you create professional-grade images instantly. If you need a brand mascot, the mascot for your brand template takes you from concept to a fully animated character doing research. The web search competitive analysis template organizes and compares data for you. Preparing a report, the document analysis and presentation template streamlines the process from review to final slides. Planning budgets, the budget sketch template transforms your ideas into actionable project plans. With these ready-made workflows, you save time, boost creativity, and get professional results fast. So those were some of the core features. Now let's see who benefits the most using it. So Tila is a fit for marketers juggling text, visuals, and social campaigns, content creators and educators producing across multiple media types, developers prototyping apps or building AI-powered workflows, anyone craving more creativity, less app hopping, think startup teams or power users. Since no tool is perfect, while Tila is powerful, a few enhancements could elevate it more. Clear usage analytics, see how credits are consumed over time, real-time collaboration support, shared canvases for teams working together, voice input, and meta agent orchestration already on the roadmap for later updates. These updates could make Tila an even more compelling workspace. It offers everything from brainstorming to execution under one roof. Whether you're crafting content, teaching, automating workflows, or building code, Tila frees you from the distraction of switching apps. While it's still evolving, it's already delivering on its promise. AI that adapts to how you think, not the other way around. And that was your guided walkthrough of Tila AI, AI creativity simplified. So if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.